Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your PlayStation 4 along with your TV. So you can see I have my PlayStation 4 turned on, and I'm going to press the power button on my TV, and my PlayStation 4 will power into the rest mode now. So it's blinking right now, and it's completely turning off along with my TV. So all the devices can power off at the same time, and I will never forget they're on. Alright, so I'm going to turn on my TV right now by pressing the power button. And my PlayStation 4 is turning on at the same time. And a lot of times when I go back to the home screen and I go over to sources and I select my PlayStation 4 as the source under this, my PlayStation 4 will automatically turn on. So you can see the light bar is coming on right now. So let's go to the PlayStation 4 source right here. And I'm just using my TV remote to control everything with device link. So it might take a second for it to connect. Alright, so I typed in my password. Now, on the top of the screen, we want to go over to settings and then select this. And we want to turn on this specific setting. And this will be under system. So let's select this. Then go on down to where it says enable HDMI device link right here. And check mark this and make sure this is turned on. You can control your PlayStation with your TV remote and then power it on or off with your TV. So we have this enabled. Let's go to the home screen on my Amazon Fire TV. Then go to the right and go to settings. On your TV it's going to be a little bit different, but I'm going to go to display and sound. And then go on down to where it says HDMI CEC device control. Compatible devices can be controlled with your TV remote. So let's select this. And we want to have power control turned on. Use your TV to turn on or off connected devices. Then this allows me to control my PS4 with my remote. Remote control pass-through. Use your TV remote to control devices from other inputs. So make sure these are turned on right here. HDMI device link, HDMI device CEC, or Anynet Plus, depending on which brand of TV that you are using. But that is how you can easily turn on or off your PlayStation 4 with your TV. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.